Hey, what's up everyone? This is CJ the Lender. I'm here with my guy Steve the Flipper, and we're about to go check out his new flip here at 5400 Hooper.
Hey everyone, welcome to our home. This is our new flip. Come on in, I got a lot to show you. In here, this was an open concept type of idea, okay? Because I know we're in the city of LA. So out here, what I did is I opened up the living room. As you guys can see, this was all a little bit of fire damage when we first bought it. So this was a real reconstructive project. As you can see, we opened up the windows. We got windows on both sides. We got an open sesame concept. There was walls here, rooms here. So we just gave it more of an open appeal for you guys. And this is a Fergus brown mahogany door champagne. I really like this one. This one came from Home Depot, but I really like this one.
So Steve, walk us through the numbers here. What did you get on the purchase price? How much was the rehab amount? And what are you selling it for?
Well, my man CJ, we did end up purchasing this house for $295,000. Our rehab, we ended up spending $130,000, and we'll be listing it for $575,000. So come on guys, let me show you guys this wonderful kitchen. So this was our ideal kitchen for you guys. I gave you guys that curb appeal with these shaker cabinets and these quartz countertops. This is called Calcutta. It's like an Indian area with the double sink vanity. We got a lovely brown mahogany backsplash, flooring, recessed lightings, in your 20 by 20 kitchen.
So Steve, a lot of first-time flippers or new flippers that I see, it's really tough for them to get deals out there. And I remember you were calling me every single day. You're like, CJ, how do I get these new deals? But you were very persistent in trying to get those deals. You were sending out a lot of offers and you just made it happen. Next thing you know, a week after you were saying, how do I get these deals? You're under contract. Well, like, what's your secret? What kind of tips can you give to new flippers or people that are just getting started on how they could get into their next flip?
That's a good question. Let's start from the basics. Cold calling. You guys got to put yourself out there. You guys got to be not only on the MLS, you got to be door knocking, you got to walk neighborhoods, you got to call your local real estate agents, your friends, your brokers. That's what we know how to do. So as people that are getting into this business, again, a lot of cold calling, a lot of walking around the house, around the neighborhoods, and just basically putting yourself out there to find a deal.
And I also remember you weren't just like, let me send one offer every 1 to 3 weeks. You were like, hey, I'm gonna send multiple offers this week. How many offers do you think you were sending per week? And what was your strategy there?
Yeah, I mean, we send 6 to 7 offers. We try to get them 3 to 4 or 5 days at a time. And like I said, I'm sending CJ all these offers because we're putting in deals. We're trying to find the best deal. And in order to get the income, we got to put out the outcome. So, you know, just using the formula, just putting out what we put in. We got a lot of casings around our trimming.
So Steve, tell us what you did in this room.
Well, in this room, we were kind of ideal with the 12 by 12 to give you guys that appeal, you know, to catch the eye of whoever's going to be buying my home. So we can see here as we opened up this closet area to give you guys that magic open area. I know everybody wants their walk-in closet, but in the 12 by 12, this is what we do as magic. So, you know, we furnished it out here. We got the 24 by 24 window here. You got your recessed lightings here, your ceiling fan. And like I said, welcome home.
And then how did you get this deal under contract? What was your lead source for this one?
A couple of wholesalers reached out to us and we walked the property and we ended up liking it and we bought it, we purchased it. So yeah, after 7 or 8 wholesalers that, you know, came to me with different types of properties, we like this one. Come on guys, come follow me here. Let me show you what this area is. I got a little bit of space, so we got the washer and dryer, double stack, water heaters in the other opposite side, and this is what you got for your storage space.
And so Steve, this was a fire damaged house. It was pretty burnt down. What was your process of getting this one done?
This one was a complete burn down, CJ. It was really bad. This one was completely a regut. We had to tear down basically the whole house and revamp it. So what you see here is basically new construction. So come on in. This is the bathroom that I wanted to show you guys. We had a lot of closed walls and we gave this an open concept in here. I got a lot of mosaic tile, gave you that double Venetian bathroom finish. I got some Calcutta tile on top here. Come take a shower in the 5-star resort. I wanted you guys to feel that energy. I wanted you guys to feel that 5-star resort. That's what we did here. Gave you an open sesame and a dish, window, and that's our restroom.
Our first lending partner on this, we were about 1 or 2 days away from closing, and they decided to pull the plug on us. They made us get a structural engineer report.
Yes.
And then they pulled the plug on us about 1 to 2 days before closing, and we had about a 5-day deadline to close after that.
Yes.
And you guys gave it to me on a Monday.
Yes.
And we closed on that Friday, right?
CJ did the damn thing, guys. CJ did his job. Understood.
I wanted to mention this because Steve, I noticed you guys closed, we signed the deal, and 45 minutes later, I saw videos of you on Facebook with your crew. You guys were cleaning it out within 45 minutes after closing. What's the mindset you had there on getting that done?
Time is money. We had to go. We had to go.
That was like on a Friday. You submitted your first draw request that Friday, and you had the inspector there like by Monday or Tuesday?
Yes, it was a quick process. Thanks to CJ, it went smooth. And like I said, I don't go anywhere without my hand right here, so.
And so Steve, sometimes you were even calling me before the work was done and you're like, hey CJ, fill out these forms, let's request this draw.
Yeah.
And we would send the draw request before you were even done sometime.
Well, when you're a multi-flipper, guys, we're trying to get these houses done and efficient and done out the way. So yes, I'm calling CJ, we'll be finished with a project in about 4 days, and we're calling CJ on the second day. CJ, put in the draw. CJ, put in the draw. So yeah, I'm trying to get this project done within 2 months. Once you guys are done with your projects, framing, drywall, taping, go ahead and put in that draw, and then go ahead and recut something.
All right guys, there you have it. Steve, thank you for showing us your flip. We greatly appreciate it. And don't forget, if you're out there on YouTube, give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Check out our show, The Hard Money Lions, on YouTube here. And don't forget to Roz it up.